Okay, it is now my pleasure. No, it's not my pleasure at all to describe what some of us have been through, which is you're driving down the highway and the car starts going the bump, the bump, the bump, the bump, the bump, and you realize you've gotten a flat tire and it's annoying. Well, okay, so that feedback is actually pretty important. And you can hear it, but pretend you couldn't. You can certainly feel the car going up and down. That concept turns out to be really important at orders of magnitude softer vibrations for sensing the failure of industrial machines. So as parts begin to wear, they don't move quite as smoothly, you begin to get vibration. And the next company you're going to see, Robosensor, has an established business in those sensors, understanding to allow preventive maintenance and understand as things begin to fail in industrial setting. In addition, it's not just the brrr on the machines. They're very interested in a new market. And as somebody with heart disease, I'm really interested in the biomedical applications that might sense that flat tire before it actually goes flat in a biomedical setting. So it's my pleasure to introduce the next team, Robosensor Technology Research, bringing the high-tech world of vibration sensing to biomedicine.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for introducing our team. This is Masayoshi Omura, founder and CEO of Robosensor Technology Research. In 2019, we have succeeded in achieving the world's highest performance sensor characteristics in extra fine wire sensor. Today, I want to introduce our business challenge with new robosensor in new field. From the WHO data, we know that over 15 million people died per year in the world. Top of the causes of death is ischemic heart disease, and the second is brain stroke, which are caused by osteosclerosis. We will challenge to reduce the number of deaths by our sensor and technology. There are several pulse measurement equipment in the market. Some of them measure blood pressure and the other measure blood flow with ultrasonic echo sensing method, but none of them can measure vibration of blood vessel in the neck. The patented structure of our wire sensor completely prevents intrusion of radio waves noise and electric field noise from the environment. Therefore, the sensor can measure small physical vibration in the objects very clearly. Even small pulsations of blood vessels can also be measured on the human skin. We have developed vibration sensor and applied them to prevent maintenance of machines, robots, and automobiles in B2B field. Our sensors are already used more than 180 companies for more than 200 applications. Currently, our tactile sensor system already being used by some users, and demand in this field increasing. Based on this technology, we will initially develop the application and increase sales of pulse sensors in the sports field. Step by step, we will expand development and sales to the nursing care and medical fields. In order to contribute for wellness life of people, we need a measurement system and then diagnostic judgment system using those systems. We have already completed the development of the key technology components necessary for the measurement system. In the next step, we need to acquire many accurate data to make a judgment with AI diagnosis from a lot of patients with this system in public institutions. By combining these two technologies, We can provide a well diagnosis service that monitors the daily health status of subscribers. We restart ourselves with the super sensitivity tactile sensor and the pulse sensor after COVID-19 pandemic. We can see our global sales plan to that our sales grow from $500,000 sales to $50 million in 7 years. In order to achieve the goal, we need complete the diagnosis system with the AI decision for life risk and creating a database of medical subjects. We ask you $5 million investment for upscale manufacturing, hiring engineers, and creating database of medical subjects. I believe that one of my strengths is to introduce and implement new business ideas to solve customer problems. We have a well-experienced member in our team, R&D, sales, and manufacturing. We are highly motivated to grow our business to save lives with our new pulse sensor. Let us challenge to achieve the goal with your big help. Thank you.
Thank you, Masayoshi-san. That's really impressive traction you've proven in one vertical, and now you're expanding to a vertical, which I think is even more important from a humane point of view. So I'm very excited to see that, and best of luck. If you want to